Hi everyone, this is welcome back to my channel, guys. I am here in at the moment in Philippines. So after tomorrow I have my birthday. So we are here, came here for my. I want to buy some things for my baby birthday. So we are here in the Naga now. So just I bought the way. I feel very hot also. I bought one pineapple juice also. I need to go to the market. I need to buy something for my birthday, my baby birthday for my baby birthday. So I need to buy some things for. I need to give her some present. So we are here in Naga. Yes, so we will go to the market and we will think what I want to buy because I don't have any idea also to buy for her birthday things. So I have something and maybe some visitor will come. So I need to buy something for also to her. And for also to the visitor also I need to buy something. So we will go to the market and we will see whatever we want to buy there. Look at this guy. I am using the tricycle. So just I need to pass this road. There's a market is there nearby. So I am using the tricycle now. I will show you. Wow. Just only two passengers can sit here and the driver also there. I can show you guys also there around the place. Look at the we are here in Naga. No? This is a Naga metal. Yeah. So we want to go to this mall. Yeah, we are close to the. We will go to the park. Oh, but look at the weather. The climate is okay now. I can feel the cold wind now. So do you want to say something? So what we will going to buy for Isha today? Do you have any idea?
We'll buy her the baby bird for her birthday.
Okay.
She likes the my favorite one, the ear.
Yeah. But she love to buy the tail and the nose. Okay, we will go. First we will find. Yeah, I like the climate now. I cannot feel hot. Yeah, the
Just
climate is
normal.
okay now. Yeah, just normal. Yes. Go now.
It's not the
That is a shopping
most
complex.
of them here is the restaurant.
Yeah. So which place we will go now? Here or somewhere? Where we
We're
will go?
close now, we're close.
Yeah,
Like
we
a
are
lot of
close.
talking.
Ah, okay. Yeah, I see
This
you.
way.
Yeah.
You can find also there this one the cake shop
Okay.
there.
So, yeah. Okay. Later we will go. There's a one old church, no? The who built that one? That is
College
Spanish.
church. Dire lang siguro ni. Filipinos.
Ah, okay. Tricycle we are right now. So we will go inside and we will eat something. Actually, we will feel hungry. So guys, just I feel hungry, so I'm going to eat my lunch here. Now we are now shouting in the shouting, no? The name is shouting. The shouting restaurant. So we are going to check our lunch. So what did you just order for me, Lisha?
Sweet and sour. Chicken sweet and sour.
Can you louder?
Chicken sweet and sour.
Ah, okay. You order for me. And for you?
Mine is chicken L'Oreal.
Ah, okay. So this is the first time I am trying this food. My wife share it. This is one of the famous restaurant also, no? So very nice. About the tasty is very yummy.
Huh?
About the tasty, because I am going to eat today first time here. All right. We will try to eat that one. So whatever I want to eat that food here. So I'm going to adapt it here, no? Because I am going to live here in long time. So I need to eat the Filipino foods. So I think my baby, she is waiting for us because she is crying. After we left, she is crying because we left her no alone. So she is crying at home. So we need to make our purchasing fast and we need to go our home also. So this is the food I am going to order this one. But yeah, you can start. There's rice and some chicken, and they give some toast. Also, they give some spicy toast. I cannot eat that one. My wife, she ordered this one. So this one is Asian spicy, but I choose this one. It's called Hello Hello. So this is the most tasty one. Yes. They put some. What did they put here?
Jackfruit, ice cream,
Uh-huh.
beans, milk, sugar, I think so. Then
Very
the
tasty.
ice.
Yeah, very
Then
tasty.
ice, then afterwards, blend
This is the first time I try to drink this one. Before I don't know. So I watched some video the people they are drinking this one. So this is the first time I tried this. Hello Hello. It's very tasty. Next time if I come outside, that's my favorite one. I always want to drink this one. Very tasty this one actually.
We'll just have some,
And-
take some picture.
Yeah, okay.
We can take some picture and then we will ask Chichen tomorrow to buy.
Yeah, okay. Just I want to know if we order, if we
So
give
we-
some design, they will decorate like that, or there are some.
Just this.
They have only this kind of cake here, so I actually I don't like the design, so I need to come some design also for the pizza because I need to make something special for my baby. So I will do some design. We will ask inquire them. She can do like that. So if they have some pictures, so we will see. If I like, so I am going to order that. So this is a brand, so they need to
With
send
the
the.
brand, so we can buy only this one, only the display. So once I display mo.
Yeah, just so I only include them. They say if we order today, we can get it will take 1 week. So after tomorrow my baby birthday, so we cannot do anything. So better we can buy here.
Which one you like here? So we can ask Chichi. Kano sana siya expire, miss?
Oh, this one, this.
2 days na siya.
Oh,
2 days
this
ra?
one.
Okay, we will ask Chichi
Parang na
to
siya
buy
deliver niya. 2 days na siya
Okay,
nag-sige.
gamitan ko na sa wadas ng phone ba? So, amo, kuha lang yung picture niya. Parang pag-umang ko na sa ilang ha. So, which one you like the isa rin siya, coffee.
Ang kana siya, ma'am, tulo na siya ka-flavor.
What is the flavor that? Vanilla and choco.
Vanilla o choco.
Mocha.
Amo pa, this one.
So what do you want to choose another?
Okay, vanilla choco.
Na siya ito, ma'am, ice cream cake na siya.
Ice
Premium
cream
din nasa po sa...
Amo, chocolate honey.
Kung gusto
I
ka
should- I should like-
So, very
okay.
tasty.
I
I like
should- I-
chocolate also, no?
Yeah, it's okay. It's fine. Which one?
This one, the circle one.
This the middle one.
Big one, Pila na siya?
750.
750, 750 this one. But the problem is only 2 days.
When it will be expire?
Sir,
When it will expire the date?
2
Expired.
days.
Expired.
Only 2 days. Yes, ma'am.
So, ma-expired na.
Ano, ma'am,
Alas lima.
inikuan, balikan na siya flavor after 2 days pa na yun.
Sabado. So, last day na Sabado.
So what will-
She will buy tomorrow.
Oh,
We will
wala,
just
ma'am,
take some
ano,
picture.
Uh-huh.
Kaya ko mo, Sabado sa hapon ba? Or yung ma-expose mais gawas. Sabado ako.
So that is the one you want when to choose.
The round one, what your idea? What do you think?
It's okay. You
Kana siya,
if
kana
you
siya
like it.
pinakadako sa round. Ma'am, natin pinakadako sa...
So finally, you choose this one or this one?
Parehas ra siya o
Yes,
flavor.
ma'am.
So, mas dako ni siya.
Can we taste something? You have something?
Sir,
Free taste na mo. Wala. No
No.
free taste.
Okay.
So, kani siya, mas dako ni siya kaysa arin.
So we will go with this or this one. How?
mas
For a
dako
while.
ni ma'am. Mao na yung kinadakan sa mga
No,
round.
no, sa mga akong papasabot, di ba, naidakuan niyo, no?
Oo.
Asa may mas dako.
Mas
dyan.
dako to ang katong kinadakan ani kaysa sa
There's a bigger one, and then the size is not really big than this.
Bigger than this.
The round one, yes, bigger than this. But
Yeah,
the
okay,
size,
perfect.
It looks like this rectangle.
Yeah, all right. We will order that one.
Ako na picture na, kaya ako itapas ko kabumang ko.
So finally, we choose for Isha birthday cake. That's a chocolate flavor, the bigger one. How much that price? How much that?
800.
Yeah, 850 pesos. Look at guys, this is a beautiful one. The beautiful park. Yeah, there's a big Christmas tree also. What is the name of this park?
Baywalk.
Baywalk. Yeah, Baywalk. Yeah.
Walk there. We need to walk better.
Here also you can see, guys, there's a beautiful place here. What is the name of this place?
There, Pasilong sa Naga.
Pasilong sa Naga.
Pasilong sa Naga.
Actually, the pronunciation very different here. Look at the place behind me. The beautiful city. So I will come here with my daughter one day.
Nighttime, very
Yeah.
nice there because
Nighttime,
they
no?
will open the water.
Yeah, better we can come night time. You can see inside the park, the students are there playing here. Very beautiful place, really. I like this. Here many park here, no? Actually, we came here to order the cake for my Isha birthday, and we took some picture the cake. So tomorrow we will come and again we will buy the cake because after tomorrow her birthday, no. So better we can buy tomorrow, no.
Tomorrow because of this, the expiry. So we will buy it again. We don't know, maybe it will spoil.
Yeah.
Because it takes almost 3 days. So
Maybe.
we don't know.
That is a icing egg, no. Maybe it will melt something.
Yeah.
Better we will buy tomorrow after tomorrow her birthday, no. That's good idea. So this is the mall, no. We will go.
Supermarket.
Yeah, this is the
Grocery,
supermarket.
grocery.
Yeah, it's a big grocery here. We will go and we need to buy something also tomorrow. Today. And we have many visitors. They will come after tomorrow for Isha birthday. So we have idea also to celebrate her birthday. This is her first birthday. We have already prepared the list. We need to buy some grocery here. What is the item? We have some list also. What is the item which we need to take here? Pasta. So last night she already made the list. So we need to prepare for that. I am looking for the coconut powder, the coconut milk powder, because I need to cook for me. I couldn't find here, but today I got it. Oh my God, look at this. This area they are selling the wine. Oh. If my friends come in here, they will be stay here. They don't want to go too much wine here. Yes, actually I want to buy a wine here. This is strawberry flavor, the red wine.
Number one.
Yeah, wine brand. The number one, no? How much the price for?
No, 99.
299. So 300.
299.
Yeah, perfect. Well, so I'm going to choose this one. You can see, guys, there's many alcohol here. So this is the one I told you to buy. This the one.
How much is it?
Actually, he doesn't need the price. Just he's going to. Okay, Lisa. Just what you like, just check here. So what you are going to check now? Okay, this is your section. This is the so this is the pasta section. You need to buy. Okay, just check it. Don't have time also. We need to make fast. Carry up.
Spaghetti sauce.
Next choice. Okay, take that. I took the water also because I feel thirsty. After I ate, I didn't drink the water. Next, what we are going to buy? So Lisa is taking further black beans. So we can call them and then we can ask them where's the black bean. So they will try to help us. Yeah, you already got it. Okay.
Black bean.
How many? Two?
2 enough maybe?
Okay. We took two. Black bean salted. Other things? Anything more?
Vegetables.